let me tell you this. The reason why you are enjoying your marriage today is because you are able to provide for your family as a man. And the reason why your wife is still respecting you today because you are able to provide for them. If you want to know whether you have peace in your family, if you want to truly know the real character of your wife, it is when you lost a job. By the time you lost a job for some times and you are not able to retain another job, that is when you will know the true character of your wife. I know it's not all women, but I'm talking about at least 80% of women. Especially if your wife is a working class woman and she's the one paying the bills at that moment. Probably she might consider for some certain things, still hoping that maybe for some times you will get another job to retain, to take over the responsibility of home. Probably maybe 1 year, 2 years, you are not able to get a sustainable job again. That is when you will know that you and your wife are in the battlefield. She will begin to disrespect you. She will begin to look down on you. She will begin to see you as nothing. That is why you will see some women will begin to use that opportunity, be going out with another man that can provide for them. That is why as a man, by all means, find something doing for yourself. As long as something is legitimate, can provide something for you, engage yourself on it. Don't allow a woman be the one feeding you at home. Yes, every reasonable man, don't allow your wife. Your wife, God created a woman to be a support. Yes, she might be supporting you, but don't let her be the one paying all the bill at home. Because if you want to know this, 80% of women in marriage, the love can never function without money. There is no love in marriage. I'm talking about 80%. There is no love in marriage without money. The only thing that triggers love in marriage, it is when the man is able to provide the needs for the family. That is when you will begin to see genuine love in a marriage. Let me tell you the nature of woman. Woman be like our belly. If you eat today, belly full, and tomorrow you never eat, your stomach will cry for food again. It will be like say you never eat for 1 week until you put food again before the stomach will cool down. That is how the nature of a woman. If you are trying today and you are not able to try as usual again, that woman will begin to look down on you. As a man, try by all means. Never allow your woman be the one paying the bills at all. This message is for mostly men. One love.